guys, this is Lynn from Paper Peas. Today our sticker book prompt is going to be something glowing under the water. Now, as I mentioned to you last week, I misnumbered this and I will go back and correct it. But for today, I want to go ahead and complete the prompt challenge. So, what I'm going to do is just really get started, okay? Today, I think I'm going to use a lot of my Crafter Square stickers for this. I think it might be okay. Since this is something that's going to glow under the water, let's see how these go. Got these cute stickers. I like this a lot. For me, this could be some seaweed. Oh, let's make sure this is right. Be some seaweed up under there. It might not be, but you know, that's once again, it's up to our interpretation. Like that. I like that. I like that. Okay. Then we've got some seashells, a whale. Yeah, here's a couple of things here. And see. How about that? I was saying that's not the same color. I know, but I'm going to make it fit in okay. I think these will be cute too. Tell you what I'm going to do here. I am going to, this might not work out perfectly. Set this aside, but I'm going to make this work somehow. Like seaweed and stuff down at the bottom, you know? And that's my thought. I want to have some dimension here. Shoot. We got corals and different things down at the bottom, you know? I'm just going to sit that there for right now. Then we've got some more corals. Hold on. This is where I'm going to remember to take these off. It's 5 o'clock here. It's going to rain. It's getting dark. I'm okay with that. I just want to do this and get it uploaded before it does. I was about to say now, hold on. A little fierce, a little scary, okay. Oh wow. I'm gonna hurry up and do this so I can get somewhere. All right, and then over here in this little piece, I am going to take these off here. Okay. Is this not fabulous? It is to me. Okay. I just don't feel like we need any white space today. Everyone, this is Lynn from Paper Peas. Thank you so much for taking the time to tune into our sticker challenge where there's Tina from Tina's Craft Creation, Shanita from Plan to Play, Lisa at Leave It to Lisa Crafts, Lacey over at the Cheeky Bomb, and me, Lynn, from Paper Peas Crafts. Everyone, I hope you like this. This is quick, fun. Everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to tune into Paper Peas today to watch the sticker challenge that Tina at Tina's Craft Creations, Shanita over at Plan to Play, Lisa over at Leave It to Lisa Crafts, and Lacey over at the Cheeky Bomb, and along with myself, Lynn at Paper Peas, that we're all participating in. Please know that Tina and Shanita are hosting this. Unfortunately, it's storming here. My lights are going out. I tried to do the best that I could to get this out as quickly as I possible. And I really want to appreciate you so much for sticking with me. If you would like, share, subscribe, come back and see me again. And if you want to participate in this challenge, by all means, do so. Thank you so much. Take care.